This is like really crazy because I've never opened a fursuit at all. Like I have fursuits, but I've made them myself, so I've never like unboxed a fursuit. So this is an experience. Also, this box is gigantic and it's from Italy. I thought it got lost in the mail because it'd been almost a month since it got shipped out, but no, it got here. It's just a partial suit, so we'll have to see. We'll have to see how big the head is. I'm not sure. Okay, I saw a little bit of the head, but I'm leaving that for last. We got one paw. But also we have a little bag of other paws, which I did not know they were including, but apparently they did. This is like supposed to be a piece of ham, like fursuit prop. I don't know. I don't know if I'll actually use it, but you know, we have it in case we want it. Yo, this suit is so much bigger than I thought. Like in the pictures it looks small, but like, look how big this tail is. Like it's literally bigger than my head. I'm still looking for the other paw. It's like in the pits. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna make new paws for this suit because I redesigned the character so these paws aren't really accurate to the current design, but these are the paws. But these are actually kind of good paws, but I'm still probably gonna make myself new paws, but they will work for now. There's also supposed to be feet paws, but like I don't feel them. I just feel the head, so like I don't know where they're at. So I'll have to like message the seller and ask them to send them because I don't see them, and I'm a little upset because I really wanted the feet paws, but you know. But now all we got left is the head. It's gigantic. I'm telling you, this suit looks so much smaller. I'm scared. I'll show you guys him first. It's him. This suit is gigantic, I swear. This suit looks so much smaller in pictures, but like, he is giant. He also comes with like eyelids, which are like at the bottom of the bag. He is beauty, he is grace. He has a big fat face. But the main reason I really liked him is because of these whiskers. Like, I don't know, I've always wanted a suit with whiskers. Okay, I'll put him on. Bro, I look so tiny compared in him. Like, what? Let's go. We did it. But, oh my god. I don't have a belt with me, so I can't try on his tail. But like, oh my god, he's gorgeous. And he has like a magnetic tongue too. So, there's that. The ventilation is pretty good. Like if I wasn't wearing a balaclava and like really excited and out of breath, his ventilation would be good. And his vision's good if I don't have the eyelids on. So, that's him. That's all I have. So this is a suit up close. I'm really excited to have him since I've only ever had suits I've made. So it's gonna be really fun to have a suit that's not made by me. But there are definitely some things I'm gonna change about him and refurb about him. Not really anything personal against his maker, mainly more just personal aesthetic preferences, and also because I did redesign him, so I wanna make sure his fursuit actually matches the reference, and the eye colors don't match his current ref that I made, so I really want to change these. Also, the teeth aren't the worst, but I would like to redo them with maybe some better quality fabric. There are some areas like around the ears where fabric is, you can see right there, is glued down and not sewn down, and there's some exposed foam, so I would like to fix that. I'm also gonna add a fur tuft on him, so that's something I'll be adding onto him. I got him for a good price, like, so I'm not really complaining about it because I knew what I was paying for, to be fair. But yeah, that's it.